Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Kirk John Lee. Tonight we have a great video for you guys tonight. Tonight we have a twofer, believe it or not. Right? We have the EP Coelho, Honduras. Also, now it's called the Casa Coelho, Honduras. And I also have the Howl Head. Now, before I grade these cigars after I smoke it, let me get you the page of this. There we go. Because I'm going to do a twofer tonight. First, this week, I'll tell you the exact date of this event. On July 31st, okay, at the Burnt Leaf Cigar Lounge, they're having Casa Coelho event. I'm gonna be there. A lot of cigar aficionados gonna be there. I believe people from Casa Coelho are also gonna be there. All right, I'm gonna get me a few shots, so pictures, of course, not drinks. So, if you want to get some Casa Coelhos, this is where you need to be at right there. Now, the Burnt Leaf Cigar Lounge is one of the nicest places to be at. It has a nice vibe, and the guys who run it, George, Will, Pedro, these guys are men among men when it comes to cigars. They know their shit. Pardon my language, but they know their shit when it comes to cigars. They wouldn't have a cigar there if they A, didn't try it themselves, and B, if it doesn't taste good. If a cigar is there, just know those three guys agreed among themselves that the cigar is the stuff. I'm just letting you guys know right there. So if you need any advice on cigars, those are three guys you need to go to for advice on cigars. Now, there's a few cigars from the EP Coelho line that I enjoy. This is one of them. The Coelho Honduras has a lot of shocking notes into a cigar. Something that, when it comes to my portfolio or my humidor, you pretty much always gonna have one of these or a few of these in here. Especially this one. Because I like a cigar with shocking notes into it. Now, as I smoke my cigar, I'll be remiss not to try out this whiskey. This is a blind taste for me. I had that one before, many times. But this one, it's a blind taste. So, this is a Howler Monkey Head Spirit. Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey with natural banana flavor. Whew. Now, before I continue, let me read you the notes in this great cigar right here. I'm with my favorite guy, Neptune Cigars, that has great notes to take on cigars. Okay, the EP, this is how they write it. The EP Carrillo Honduras is now released in a 6-part series designed to showcase different rappers and regions offering unique character without sacrificing value. Crafted at the Placencia Tobaccos de Danina, Honduras, I'm not butchered that. This medium body cigar features a dark, oily Honduras San Augustine wrapper, a Honduran binder, and a Honduran and Nicaraguan filler. It delivers a rich, layered portfolio, has educational material available on EP's website to help enthusiasts understand the whys and how it blends. Okay, now read on the one I'm smoking, the Gordo. The dude says delicious espresso oak, a dark, sharply earthy notes. I really taste the chocolate notes. Now, this is the reason why I picked this cigar to go this risky. Because chocolate notes and banana, you can't miss. Alright? Now, for the cigar, wrapper. Okay, the band. I'm gonna give this a band a 3 because it keeps moving. I'll give that a 3. Furnace, a 3. Oil, 3. The lighter, 5 out of 5. Burn, 10 out of 10. Draw, 8 out of 8. Consistency, 9 out of 9. Flavor, flavor. Smoothness, 8 out of 8. Quality of blend, 12 out of 12. Flavor progression, finish, 6 out of 6. Speed of burn, 99 out of 100. Alright? Now, let's go to the whiskey. Purity, 8. Heat, 'So I'm gonna give this a 48 out of 50. So that's my review on this great cigar, this great bourbon. See you guys on the next one.